All right, yo. So I made some pretty good progress in the app. I finally got the actual screen. So whenever the user logs in, I got that screen working, and it looks pretty nice. It has a little effect in the background. It looks pretty good. Obviously, like my CS, my CSS is not that good. I definitely vibe coded the UI. But everything else, some parts I had to get help from ChatGPT. But hey, look, we're trying to move this along. You know what I'm saying? So I got the login, sign up working. I have the magic links working. And then I got the keywords working. Now the thing is, I got the add keywords working. So you type in a keyword, it grabs all the apps that are currently ranking. It gives you a popularity, it gives you a difficulty score as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna go on my computer and we're gonna test it out. But I would say the main thing about I would say like the hardest thing really about this project is pretty much over. Um, but here's what I ran into because I'm pretty sure I talked about it either on my TikTok or the previous clip that you saw. Um, so I was kind of running into this issue where whether or not I should use an API, already established API, or um, should I use the developer account, Apple developer account or program? Um, and the thing is with this, I didn't even need to do that. I paid for the developer program, thinking that I needed it to have this work. But no, I did not need that. You don't need the developer account to actually have this. You know what I'm saying? You don't need the developer account. So um, now spent $100 on almost nothing. But the good thing is, I still need the developer account to actually put my other app that I finished onto the App Store, the iOS App Store. And yeah, so I'm gonna have some of my friends test out the app. It's called Higher Self. It's a affirmations app. I fuck with it, and the main differentiating feature of the app. Please don't steal this. You know what I'm saying? But you're able to actually record your affirmations, right? Because the way that I kind of thought about it was, I know this is not the subject of this series, or the subject of the series is Tasso, but this is part of it. But uh, higher self is supposed to be a affirmations app where you're able to record your affirmations, right? And the reason why I wanted to build it is because I like doing affirmations, especially when I was in real estate. I woke up every morning at like 6 a.m. and pretty much, yeah, I got out to this whiteboard right here. So before it had all my affirmations. This is a whole bunch of other bullshit, whatever. Mind this, but I had affirmations stacked, right? And every single morning I pop my Adderall, right? Because I'm diagnosed, I have ADHD. I pop my Adderall, and I put on some music, blast some music, and I just 15 minutes straight affirmation, affirmation, affirmation. So I want people to, and I felt better. I felt good, and then I got to my sales calls. Did my sales calls ever work? Sometimes, yeah, but mainly, no, not really. You know what I'm saying? But still got me through it. The hour long, the 4 hour long, even the 5 hour long sales calls. So yeah, I think a lot of people will like it. I think a lot of people might buy it, and yeah, so it should be pretty cool. Should be pretty good. Should be pretty good. But yeah, we're going to hop on the computer and then we're gonna check this out. See you there. All right, y'all. So we're on the desktop right now, and this is the app. This is the landing page. I'm not too sure how much of y'all seen before. I think y'all seen this before, but um, yeah, this is it. Honestly, I really love the way it looks. There's some changes we have to do for sure. So we're gonna have a download button here. I have it turned off for now because we don't have any we don't have any downloads, right? We don't have a desktop version, but whenever we do have a desktop version, y'all will see it here. It's just gonna be strictly mobile for now, and Yeah, so this right here is just gonna be a screenshot of our not landing page, but our actual like app screen, right? I'm taking massive inspiration from my competitor Astro. If you want to look at what they have, be my guest. Go check it out. Took I took this whole part from them as well. So yeah, and then I need to change up this, right, because this is a pretty much just copy and paste. I need to be more original. So yeah. So our sign up pages. So our sign up page, right, create account, um, works. We have users in the database already. Um, and yeah, so this is going to be a login page as well. I'm just going to sign in, and then whenever you sign, it's going to take it to the onboarding page, right? And this page is pretty much, it's going to help my app kind of figure out how the best way to help you at startup, right? So you're going to put in your URL, and then we're going to get a, you'll see whenever I make that. I'm actually going to keep that a secret. You'll see whenever I do create the onboarding screen, but for right now I haven't finished the onboarding screen, but I do have the main screen finished, right? So as you see, I'm saying, it looks pretty premium. I love the background, the little blurry glowy balls moving in the background. It's fire. And so let me kind of walk you through everything right now. So the keywords work, fully works. Not fully, actually, my bad. It still needs to save to the database. It still doesn't save to the database, but it does pull up search results actually. And it does show up whenever you do add it into here. It does populate, but it doesn't save, right? The suggestions doesn't work yet. I need to figure that out. So the way the app flow is gonna work, right? So this is the selected app, right? This right here is mock data, right? But selected app, you're gonna have keywords that are associated to this app, right? So if you click here, if this is one of the apps that you have, it's gonna have different set of keywords. I'm saying blase blase, makes sense, right? And onboarding, whenever you do the onboarding, is going to whenever you click here, it's gonna populate a dashboard. It's gonna completely switch this. It's populate a dashboard that pops up. Your user click-through rate. How much users are go through your onboarding in your app and actually become paid users or actually use it, or just doesn't do anything with your app at all, right? And the competitors, it's gonna pop up all your competitors, and then any new ideas you have, any notes you want to take down or whatever. And here's you're able to actually add another app that you want to do. You want to help optimize in the search, right? So this is the main feature that we worked on today. It's the keywords, right? So let's do the keywords. So let's just say you're making a Wordle app or whatever. You want to rank for Wordle, right? And then we have Wordle. You know what I'm saying? Live update, right? Update just right now. Sorry. And we have a popularity of 78 and a difficulty of 70. I need to add in some informational tags that's going to pop up right here. Position, this is position 1, right? It's going to, since it's our only one, this is going to be position 1, right? And then we have different apps, right? This is actual Wordle, NYT games, Wordle, and crossword. And these are the apps that you have to compete against, right? This is not. I have limits of 50 apps. So at max, it's gonna be 50 apps. So at the least, it's probably gonna be 0. It's like nothing actually pops up, right? So let's do some random shit. Right, so like absolutely nothing pops up. It's popularity 0. I would never use this keyword, right? Position 3, that doesn't even make any sense. There's only 2 words right here. You know what I'm saying? But so these are going to be placeholder. This is the placeholder values. I need to delete this, and if there's actually no apps that are loaded in, I need to just be like no apps in ranking.
That's actually edge case. I didn't test out. But anyways, we have a keyword suggestions. It's not done, right? It doesn't populate, whatever. It's not done yet, but it does look nice. And whenever it's done, it's gonna look great. But yeah, that's kind of the app right now. And if you're enjoying this process, please give it a like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me because I posted a video like a day ago, and literally two people saw the video, and they were both me. So please like and subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you in the next clips. See ya. Boo.